If you've watched this series and you're still here, this video is about helping you turn everything you learned into something real. Hi, my name is David Langford, and welcome to part 6 of this series on how to make money online. And first of all, if you made it this far, I just want to say this clearly. That already says something very good about you. Because this video isn't about another method. It's not about chasing the next opportunity. It's about helping you connect everything you've learned so far into a clear, realistic plan for building online income without burning out, quitting, or starting over again. What this video is really about. Up until now, we talked about options. Different ways people try to make money online. Different paths, different models. Today, I want to take a step back, because success online isn't just about what you choose. It's about who you become while building it. And this is the part that rarely gets explained properly. The missing side of online income. Let me share something important with you. Making money online means entering a legitimate industry, not a side hobby, not a shortcut. An industry that requires learning, adapting, and showing up, even when things don't work right away. And here's the truth most people discover too late. To succeed long-term, you don't just need skills or systems. You need inner strength. Because there will be moments of doubt. Moments of slow progress. Moments where you question yourself and wonder if this is even worth it. That's where personal development comes in. Personal development is what carries you through hard times. Think of personal growth like a bridge. When things are going well, you barely notice it. But when you hit a crisis, when results are slow, confidence drops, or fear shows up, that bridge is what keeps you from sinking. Strengthening your personality, your discipline, your determination. That's what helps you walk through hard seasons instead of drowning in them. This inner work becomes the support system that carries you from where you are now to the other side. The side of consistency, stability, and success. And the good news? This isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, step by step. Why this matters for long-term online income. Anyone can start something online. Very few people develop the emotional strength to stay calm when things are unclear, focused when results are delayed, and committed when motivation fades. That's why online income rewards people who grow personally as much as they grow professionally. And moving forward, I'll be sharing more videos that go deeper into strengthening focus, building discipline, staying consistent under pressure, and developing the mindset needed for long-term growth. So there's definitely something to look forward to. And that's a great reason to subscribe and stay connected. The simple online income framework. Now let's bring this back to something practical. At the highest level, how to make money online always comes down to 3 things. 1. A skill or system. 2. A platform. 3. Consistent action over time. That's it. The method may change, but the structure doesn't. And for beginners, simplicity wins every time. Your first 30 days, step by step. Let me walk you through this calmly. Not theory, just clear steps. Step 1. Choose one direction. Not 5. 1. Something that fits your current life, time, and energy. Step 2. Learn only the basics you need to move forward, not everything, just enough to take the next step with confidence. Step 3. Take imperfect action. You will not feel ready. That's normal. Progress beats perfection every single time. Step 4. Review, adjust, and continue. Online income grows quietly at first. Consistency reveals results later. What to focus on and what to ignore. Focus on clarity, repetition, skill building, and showing up even when it feels uncomfortable. Ignore comparison, overnight success stories, and constant system switching. And this is important. Real confidence doesn't come from motivation. It comes from having a clear direction. When you know what you're doing and what your next step is, you don't need to feel motivated every day. You keep moving. And that's where confidence is built. Direction creates calm, not pressure. And if you want to rewatch this entire journey or go deeper step by step, I've linked the full playlist in the description below so you can follow everything in order, at your own pace. Now, if you're thinking, David, I want structure, I want guidance, I don't want to guess anymore. That's exactly why I created a free 4-day training. It breaks down a clear step-by-step system, the biggest mistakes beginners make, and why this model works for everyday people. It's the training I wish I had when I was starting. You'll find the link in the description below. You can get the first lesson today. And before you go, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The fact that you're investing in yourself, in your growth, and in your future, that matters. You're building the habits successful people are made of. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. I truly wish you all the best as you continue this journey toward growth and freedom. You're on the right path.